Magandang hapon po ng February 8, 2025 Saturday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng February 8, 2025 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na mabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Saturday, February 8, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na mabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Lotto 642, 60 Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for February 8, 2025, Saturday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Lotto 642 for Saturday, February 8, 2025. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for February 8, 2025, Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.